Kate had always been an advocate for natural beauty remedies. Her kitchen was a treasure trove of organic ingredients, each with its designated place, each promising to unravel the secrets of flawless skin. One lazy Sunday afternoon, she found herself drawn to the idea of concocting her own nourishing face masks. With a steady hand and a creative spirit, she surveyed her pantry for ingredients that would not only hydrate but also cleanse her skin. First, Kate reached for the honey. Known for its antibacterial properties, honey was a splendid base for any face mask. Its golden hue shimmered in the sunlight streaming through her kitchen window, full of the promise of supple skin. Next, Kate sliced open a ripe avocado. The fruit's creamy texture and rich antioxidants were renowned for their moisturizing capabilities. She scooped out the flesh, mashing it into a paste alongside the honey. With the base set, Kate turned to oatmeal. This humble grain was her secret weapon against irritation and inflammation. She ground the oats into a fine powder, mixing it carefully with the honey and avocado. Finally, it was time for turmeric. Kate was cautious with this vibrant spice. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and ability to brighten the skin were unmatched, but it came with a warning, a propensity to stain anything it touched. She sprinkled just a hint of turmeric into the mixture, stirring it gently, watching as the mask turned into a subtly tinted marvel. As she applied the mask to her face, Kate felt a coolness and a softness, as if nature itself was cradling her skin. She imagined the honey's gentle antiseptic qualities working alongside the rich avocado oils to nourish her pores. The oatmeal, now soothing and calming, relieved her skin of any stress, while the turmeric provided a revitalizing glow. After 20 relaxing minutes filled with meditation and gentle music, Kate rinsed off the mask. Her skin felt transformed, as radiant as the afternoon light, as invigorated as the moment that inspired her to create. She admired her work, appreciative of the simplicity and effectiveness of homemade remedies. From that day on, Sunday afternoons became a cherished ritual for Kate, her time to experiment, to blend nature's gifts into balms that healed and beautified. The process became her legacy, a testament to the power of nature, and a reminder that sometimes, the best solutions can be found right at home, waiting to be explored with a curious mind and a hopeful heart.